Here's how to make an account on YouTube. When you first go to youtube.com, you might be on a page like this. And this is like this blank page where you have to sign in. So in the upper right, we go ahead and click on sign in. And you might be able to choose from an account that you already have. So if you want to, you can actually log in with an existing email, or you can create a new account. To do that, you might see the login button here already, but I'm going to click on use another account. And then you might be on this screen where you have to sign in. But what you can do is click on create account right here next to the next button. So when we create the account, it could be for your personal use, for your child, for your work or business. I'm going to click on for my personal use. And we go ahead and enter in a name. Don't have to enter in your last name, that's optional. And we'll click next. Go with your birth date. You may not have to. Looks like we do need to fill in a birth date, so make sure you fill in an appropriate birth date. And for gender, you can actually say you'd rather not say if you want to, or you can choose from one of the options and then click on next. You can use an existing email address if you want to. So you can actually use an existing email for your Google account, or you can actually get a Gmail address instead. So it's up to you whether or not you want to use YouTube without a Gmail address, or if you want to go ahead and create a Gmail address to use it with. I could say get a Gmail address instead, and then I can create my own Gmail address right here. So we'll go ahead and create a Gmail address, and then we'll say next, and then we'll create a password, confirm it, and click on next again. So once you have that password entered in, go ahead and click on next. And now we enter in the area of verification. They might ask you for a phone number. They might have you do a little QR code thing here with your phone. They might not ask you anything. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and open up the Photos app on my phone to do this QR code. And so then once you go through and verify your account details, you're going to be into YouTube and logged in. In the upper right, you're going to see whatever email and whatever name that you've put in for your new account. And then you're going to be able to basically browse YouTube, subscribe to channels, and use all of the YouTube features. That's how you can make an account on YouTube. Sometimes you have to verify your phone number. Sometimes you don't have to. If you've made a lot of accounts recently, like I have, then you might have to go a different route as far as verifying with a different phone number if Google says that your phone number's been used too many times to make too many recent accounts. But that is how you can make an account on YouTube or make a YouTube account. Leave a like on this video if you like this video and it helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.